Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. As you can see in this video, I'll be following up with the raw Indian hair, our raw Indian hair that I colored and made on a sewing machine. It is a closure unit. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Swing, swing, girl, swing. Also, in case you didn't see my other video, this unit was constructed with a 20-inch closure, bundles 22, 24, and 26 inch. Hey y'all, so about 2-3 videos ago, I did a video on me coloring my raw Indian hair. And, oh, so you just gonna get my video. And I wanted to come back and show y'all how it came out. Remember, I had, with the Indian hair, sometimes you get shades of brown, sometimes you get natural black, and I had some that were too different. I had black and brown, so I said I'm going to dye them so that I could show you how the black dye color, for my licensed stylist, how the black color takes to the hair. And this is a lace closure that I have on. It has not been plucked or anything. It was, I did a video also on coloring the lace closures. But anyway, that's just what I wanted to do. Come and, how am I gonna do this? Come and show y'all how the hair came out. And now I'm going to, even though I should have did this for the video, I am going to work with me. Jesus, work with me. So you just don't want to plug in today? You don't? My stuff don't never want to cooperate with me. Jesus. Now I'm going to do a quick video on, well, a quick little thing. Turn on, baby. To show you, I had it locked. It's a lock on here. And I don't have my glove. I gotta remember, look right here. I don't have my glove that came with this, so don't judge me if I burn myself. I am not the perfect curler, flat ironer, but I can make you a wig. So I'll wait for this to get a little hot. And if you haven't watched the video, I said it before how the raw Indian hair comes from, it's imported directly from India. It may come in different shades. Each bundle is cut from one specific donor. You may have some bundles that are wavier and some that are more straighter. Usually it's never a perfect, if you were to order our raw Indian straight, it's not going to come in a perfect, like how your Brazilian hair will come perfectly straight. Why did I just do that like it was a piece of hair right here? Anyway, it's not going to come perfectly straight. It's still going to have somewhat of a wave to it. What else about the Indian hair? It will last 3 years plus if you take care of it. Shampoo that I use on it, I use the silicone mix, and I use another one. Hold on. Let me lock this back because I'm clumsy. I didn't drop it. First of all, y'all, I didn't set it on the temperature. Lord. I use this. I use the one and only Argan Oil Moisture Repair Shampoo. But like I said, if I have a lot of buildup on it, you don't need a lot of products with this hair. But if I may have a lot of buildup on it, I would use the silicone mix because it'll get it off. And that's the other shampoo. Light too bright. That's the other shampoo that I use for my raw Indian hair. hot enough now, y'all. Ignore what I just said for all the Christian folks. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It's hot. That baby bliss is no joke. Okay. Let me get a piece right here. And y'all, oh, another thing. In the video, I said how I was going to, I colored 4 bundles and I said I was going to try to fit. I think I had 5 bundles into this. I actually could only fit 3, and I even doubled up some of the track. That's how thick the raw hair is. It is thick. Okay, so you see how that has, you see how that has a wave in it, right? Okay. Now we're going straighten it. I should have used the comb to guide it, but oh well. Now y'all see how straight it is now? So you know, let me go back through this right here. And that was on one pass. This is the second pass. So now you know that the Indian hair will get straight. It will. I keep moving this little chair. The Indian hair will get bone straight. Now, I'm gonna try this. I am not good with curling with a flat iron, but I'm gonna try this. Okay. Wrong way. I'm trying, y'all. I should have pulled out my curling iron. I'm finna y'all, at least it did half a curl. Hold on. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna plug up this other. I'm not doing no edits. Y'all gonna have to accept me for who I am. And I can't plug, I should have brought my drop cord in here. I can't plug, I could have had both of them plugged up at one time, but because I was too lazy to go in the other room and get my drop cord, we'll have to wait for this to heat up. But the Baby Bliss, they do heat up quickly, so that's actually a good thing. Matter of fact, it's already hot. So, I'm going to show y'all the easy way. I just learned how to curl. But you did see, it did give it a stirl, half a curl. So, take this. So disrespectful. I'm not answering. I don't know. Who calls? I don't know who calls my house phone. I don't even use a house phone. I'll let some of this hair go. Let's pray this curl comes out correct. Ah! We're gonna get this one more try, Lord. We're gonna get this. Matter of fact, this is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna show y'all the other way you can curl it. If I don't mess it up. Take it like that. You wrap it around. You wrap it around. Shit. Shoot. Shoot. Y'all didn't hear me say shoot right. I said shoot. This just proves that I haven't been practicing my curls like I'm supposed to. I should have brought the curling wine out, but oh well. It's baby hot. Okay, y'all. It's better than before, Lord. I'm grateful. You see, it will hold a curl after it's straightened. So that's that. So raw stuff. That raw stuff, son. Okay. And I'm also I'm gonna wash this again because I don't feel like I washed it enough so you can see the deep waves that usually come in this hair. I had this hair thrown on my dress. I didn't even have it on the mannequin head. But I'm gonna show you the unit, try to show you to the best of my ability the back of it. Let's see. We'll get it together, Sally. You see. So that's the back of it. So y'all, that's it. I just want to come quick and show y'all that. Make sure you subscribe, comment, tell me what, excuse me, comment, tell me what kind of videos you want to see, like the videos, subscribe, like the videos, comment, tell me what you want to see. That's it. Bye.